What's up, everybody? It is John from 3 Guys 1 Puck, and today we are going to open a 1920 Artifacts. I'm in love with this set. Let's see what we can get today. Go check out our last video, or not our last one, I guess, our competition video for Artifacts 1920 to see what I pulled last time. It includes a sick Draisaitl.
Yeah, what you see right there. And tune in for some Series 1 in November because we pre-ordered a whole lot of it. So get excited for that.
Wow.
And let's see what John can get in his second Artifacts box. Woo!
First try, no big deal. Okay.
You got that?
I don't know the answer to that. So you
Yeah, just
crack
fold
it
that,
out.
make sure the fold's good, and then just tuck her under.
Tuck her under. Oh, whoa,
November.
whoa.
Stay tuned.
That's crazy. All right. I'm gonna go how I did last time. I'm gonna start with a good old righty.
Righty tighty.
Oh my goodness, these packs are tight.
What do you got? What do you got?
All right, we're starting off with a Cale Bodker, Jonathan Drouin,
It's a good pack.
Wayne Gretzky.
Oh!
Holy crap!
What?
586
Damn.
of 599. Wayne Gretzky on the Kings.
Not
The
bad.
legend again. Yeah, weird that he might have a second one, to be honest.
Yeah, maybe. And then the decoy, Ryan O'Reilly, Stanley Cup champion.
Damn.
All right. Wow, what a first pack. Gretzky.
Gretzky. More like
there
Gretzky.
was something weird on the back of this.
Quinn's dying. He's a laughing boy.
Logan Couture. A wild card rookie redemption. Both of my rookie redemptions are wild cards.
Rowdy.
Okay, then. Oh, okay, no.
I don't know how it works, but one of them's Cale.
No, it can't be a player that's in the set
Yeah, well, it's gonna be
currently. Nick Suzuki, that's who I want. Decoy. And Nino Niederreiter. And Pierre-Luc Dubois.
the way.
Alright. Well, got the rookie redemption out of the way. That means we should have 3 hits left. Potentially an Aurum Bounty. Which we're hoping not. Alright, on to the next pack. We're going Roman Yossi. Aurum Bounty, speak of the devil. At least it's Tyler Seguin. That's ridiculous.
You are a savage.
I hate Quinn. I'm coming for him. Alright. Decoy. Bo Horvat.
That's amazing.
On to the last pack.
Throw the card in his face.
I'm going to go at Quinn. That's all I got to say. I'm coming for you, boy. Philip Forsberg. Dante Favreau, rookie, 447 of 999. That is the
Very good
highest
player to
level
get,
of
honestly.
rookie. Out of no. Decoy, Jaden Schwartz, and Nick Leddy. All right, on to good old lefty. Last time, my first left pack was a banger. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Get that cat out of here.
No meowing up in here. He'll probably end up coming back.
All right. Braden Point. Ilya Kovalchuk. Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! What a card! Mike Modano, 5 of 5.
No.
Purple parallel. It has the T.
Monster.
Holy crap! Double patch? Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my god!
My god.
What a card! And then a
Modano.
Nikolai Ehlers behind it. Holy crap! The first pack of the left side every time is a banger.
Yeah, my
That's
god.
that's my theory. Yeah, that's why I said that in the first video. The first pack on the left side is the banger, dude.
We're gonna open more artifacts, so stay tuned. We'll figure this out.
All right, on to William Nylander, John Carlson, Johnny Gaudreau,
nice.
200 of 699.
Johnny Hockey, let's go.
Yeah, looking down at the puck, about to get hit right in the head.
Yeah, he probably got drilled after that.
Yeah, Decoy and Jeff Skinner. All right, third pack, second last. Josh Bailey. Jake DeBrusk, Emerald, 19/45.
Beautiful.
I believe that. No, Aqua, sorry.
Yeah, it's
Not
an Aqua.
Emerald.
Yeah,
Jake
Emerald's
DeBrusk,
just green.
okay. One of the good
Just say
serial
green.
numbers to get.
Just green.
Well, I mean,
A decoy,
fun.
William Karlsson, Kyle Pozo. And the last pack
The
of
box.
this box, and I believe it's going to be a hit.
Aurum.
No, don't put that on me right now. Stop.
Aurum.
If it's an Aurum, you can tackle me.
I'm going to cry. Pecorine.
Oh, that's
Oh.
not
Grass,
That is
NHL Remnants.
That's their base jersey.
Yeah.
It's a gorgeous card.
Wow.
Wow. That's the first base jersey. we
Yeah,
saw.
that's crazy.
It's a nice one.
Decoy, Blake Wheeler. Wow. All right. Well then, that was an absolutely insane box. Let's just start it off with the big card of it. The Mike Modano 5/5. That is insane.
That is insane.
That looks so nice. Wow. And then we also got a base jersey. Tuukka Rask, NHL Remnants. Good old black jersey. And then our other one, unfortunately, was the Aurum Bounty, Tyler Seguin. At least it was Seguin, so at least I'm happy with that. And then
Yeah, and you got good numbered cards.
and then
so
I
might as
got
well go
very
with
good numbers cards. So let's go with
First
the
pack.
very first pack was Wayne Gretzky, $5.99. And then we got our wild card rookie redemption. My second one. A Dante Fabro for a rookie, $4.47 of
Still
$9.99.
not Cale. We keep
Still
getting
not
these
Cale.
stud defensemen that aren't Cale Makar, and it's starting to irk me.
Johnny Gaudreau of $6.99, number 200.
This is the one.
And the Aqua, 19/45. It looks like a little faded on the 4 there. And Jake DeBrusk. So that will wrap it up for today. If you enjoyed that box as much as I did for that Mike Modano, hit that like button, give it a comment, and subscribe.